The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 2. The Executive. Conduct of Government Business. Article 167. Duties of Chief Minister, as respects the furnishing of information to Governor, etc. It shall be the duty of the Chief Minister of each state, to communicate to the Governor of the state, all decisions of the Council of Ministers, relating to the administration of the affairs of the state, and proposals for legislation. b. To furnish such information, relating to the administration of the affairs of the state, and proposals for legislation, as the Governor may call for, and c. If the Governor so requires, to submit for the consideration of the Council of Ministers, any matter, on which a decision has been taken by a minister, but which has not been considered by the Council.